Okay, so we're going to look at how digital signatures are used when transmitting data or transmitting messages across the internet or any open network. Okay, so we imagine we've got two users. We've got Alice and Bob, and Alice wants to send a message to Bob, and we want to be sure that Bob can be certain that it's come from Alice and that the message hasn't been tampered with in any way. And we can use digital signatures as one way of helping ensure both the authenticity and the integrity of that message. So Alice is going to send a message. And the first step of creating the digital signature is hashing. Now, what hashing algorithms do is they take text files normally and they generate a unique number depending on the content of the original file. Okay, and this is what makes digital signatures so secure. Any change to the original file will completely change the resulting hash, the number that's generated by the hashing algorithm. Okay, so this message is hashed. To generate a digest. Okay, so that's the first step of creating a digital signature. Now that digest is then encrypted using Alice's private key. Okay, so this is closely linked with that asymmetric encryption that we've seen in the previous video. So the digest is encrypted using A's private key. Okay, so that creates the digital signature. Now, what is sent to Bob? Well, we have the digital signature, and the original message. So what Bob does to ensure that this message is indeed the message that Alice sent is performs the same hashing algorithm on the message. To create that hash. Now, as I said before, if there's any change between the original message and the message that Bob receives, the resulting hash will be different from the one that Alice generated, which is in her digital signature. So what he will do with the digital signature is decrypt that using Alice's public key to get the hash that Alice generated. And they are compared. Now, if this hash and this hash are the same, we know that the message has not been tampered with in any way. And so we know that the integrity of the data is still intact. And that's digital signatures.